citizenship applications of stateless children above the age of 18 and foreign spouses to Malaysian men. On behalf of Malaysian Citizenship Rights Alliance, MCRA, we have continued to express our profound disappointment in the ongoing parliamentary debate on the citizenship amendments, which seem to trade rights of children to identity and nationality for the right of equality with Malaysian mothers. This misguided approach undermines both fundamental human rights and the broader goal of achieving equality.
She also spoke about what the MPs raised concerns about.
MPs participating in the debates in the Dewan Rakyat raised concerns about the plight of local-born permanent residents. The debates clearly demonstrated a lack of awareness of the proposed way out or having sufficient opportunity to deliberate on whether the proposed solutions are genuinely acceptable and do not contribute to the perpetuation of statelessness. Many suggested that the regressive amendments must have a parliamentary select committee oversight. We urge all citizens to join us in holding our elected officials and government bodies accountable. Together, we can ensure that our representatives honor their oath of office, adhere to constitutional principles, and